Wow, it's definitely getting better. And I think especially the rainy day makes this extra interesting. Probably we are not really missing the sun, or I don't know, maybe we are, because I think the blue skies would make this even more interesting. So up here, I'm not sure if you noticed, we don't really see a lot of commercial activity, of course, because this is seeming like the residential part of the market. So the people who work downstairs probably are living here in these quarters on this side. How convenient, right? Just live here, chill here, go downstairs.